congratulations for making it to civil services interview.
Thank you, sir.
Would you like to introduce us about yourself and your educational background?
Yes, sir. So my name is Komal Garg. I'm from Sirsa, Haryana. I did my graduation from Miranda House University of Delhi and post-graduation from IGNOU in Public Administration.
What motivated you to pursue civil service as a career?
So it is my hobby also. I like bringing smile to the face of the people. So civil services will provide me that kind of opportunity. So I want to pursue civil service.
How was the interview and what were the type of questions being asked in the interview?
Interview was really good. They were very cordial and they asked questions from current affairs. Only one member asked from my DAF. Otherwise, it was all current affair based.
How did you prepare for prelims and what was your strategy for CSAT?
Especially for prelims, I would say mock test is really very important and analyzing of PYQs, because it will help you to understand that what kind of questions UPSC want to ask from a candidate. So it's better to do some practice in mocks. And for CSAT, I would say analyze your strength and weakness before attempting the questions, because CSAT you have to attempt 80 questions in 2 hours. So time constraint is also there. So like English comprehension part is one student can do if it is good in English. So focus on your strength and weakness and then formulate your strategy by your.
What was your strategy for mains and how did you approach mains?
For mains, answer writing practice is really important, and for that I again do a lot of mock test so that my writing speed will get increased. So that was my strategy.
What was your mode of preparation? Did you go for coaching or self-study?
I did coaching, but for online coaching. So I prepared at my home.
Did the board ask you any questions about international relations and foreign affairs?
Yes, they asked about the African continent or the Sudan. So that kind of questions they asked.
What's your opinion about the role of hobbies in civil services preparation? What are your hobbies and how do you pursue them?
My hobbies Bhangra and social services, because I'm a volunteer in Robin Hood Army. So I also do teaching to the underprivileged students. So when you interact with like hobby helped me in interacting with the children, small children from the primary schools. So when I see the challenges that they faced, that really helped me to get motivation also, and that helped me in preparation also.
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
As UPSC journey is a really long journey, so mental health sometimes get deteriorated. So for it, I would say family and the family friend support is really important, and keep continuing your hobby because it will sometimes divert your mind from the studies.
What kept you physically, mentally and emotionally strong and motivated during this entire preparation?
My parents' support.
What's your advice for the future aspirants for preparing for this exam?
Analyze firstly, try to understand the UPSC syllabus in detail, so that if you read any newspaper, so you will be able to point out that what are the news and from which paper the questions can be formulated from the news. So first study the UPSC syllabus, then do mock practice and analyze PYQs.
What are some of the common challenges UPSC aspirants face during the preparation?
First is huge syllabus and lack of time. For one complete year, we have to consistently prepare for this exam. So that is the challenge, we can say, huge syllabus and the time is just 1 year.
इंटरव्यू से पहले आपकी शाम कैसे गुजरी और अब आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड फील हो रहा है, बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था प्रिपेयर करते टाइम, और इंटरव्यू भी मेरा लास्ट फेज में ही था, तो लेकिन अब काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड फील हो रहा है.
If you have to describe UPSC in one